How to make money on YouTube. What's happening, everyone? This is Greg Kononenko, the caffeinated blogger, and in this video today I'm going to show you some simple ways to make as much as $100 a day or more on YouTube using 4 simple steps. I'm going to break it down for you, show you everything step by step on screen so you can just follow along and implement it time and time again. If you like these kind of videos about how to make money online, simple ways to make money, then subscribe to my channel just below this video. Also hit that notification subscription bell icon so that my new videos go straight to your inbox. This way you'll never miss my training videos in the future. Also hit a quick like on this video, drop me a comment below, let me know what you thought of this video, and let's get into the details. Alright, so here is how this works. We're going to be talking about how to make money on YouTube, and we're going to be using affiliate marketing. Just in case you're not familiar with affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online even if you do not have your own product. And the way that this works is that a lot of people every single day are searching for tons of information on YouTube as well as on Google, researching different things that they're thinking of buying. So one such tool, I'm just going to give you an example here, and there are thousands of these kind of tools and products that you can make videos about, is ConvertKit. So ConvertKit is actually a great autoresponder system that I personally use myself, so that's why I decided to use that as an example. And a lot of people are thinking, well, maybe I should use ConvertKit. And what they do is they go to YouTube and they type in different things related to ConvertKit into YouTube, right? So you can see as soon as they start typing in ConvertKit, YouTube of course gives us suggestions, right? So one of those suggestions that caught my eye is this ConvertKit versus Aweber. So think about this: if someone is researching a particular product, they're very close to buying it. Are you following what I'm saying? If they're just looking for things like email marketing tips or something like that, they're not close to buying the product. But if they are looking at ConvertKit versus Aweber, that's a very specific search term, which means that these people are actually really close to buying either ConvertKit or Aweber. And I would say probably ConvertKit because they've just typed it in first, all right? So a lot of people will start typing in ConvertKit and then choose ConvertKit versus Aweber, or maybe they'll just even type in ConvertKit versus Aweber into YouTube. All right, now here is what's going to happen. They will see a video, they'll probably click on some of these videos like this one here, and you will see that when they come to this video, there is a link, okay, ConvertKit versus Aweber, which should you choose? Here is why we switched, free ConvertKit demo. Now this link, guys, again, just in case you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, this is an affiliate link. So if someone clicks on this link and then signs up for ConvertKit, this person that made this video is going to be credited with a sale. Simple as that. And of course, these sales are recurring. You know, I'm paying over $200 a month currently for ConvertKit. I think they're offering 30% recurring, so $60 every single month for everyone who signs up via this link. All right. You think about this, you sign up 10 customers at that kind of price, that's $600 every single month that's just going to keep coming into your account because it's a recurring product. You know, that's why it's important to be promoting a high quality offer. Now, that's in a nutshell how this works. I'm going to break it down every single step for you, but I just want to make sure that first you actually understand, just in case you're kind of new to affiliate marketing, you understand the concept behind it and the power behind it. Okay, so now let's do this step by step. So I've just prepared this little slide here where I've outlined every single step of the whole process for you guys. So our first step is, of course, to find a great affiliate offer. This great affiliate offer simply is just a product, and there are, like I said, there are thousands of these products that you can promote in any niche that you can possibly think of. It can be a health supplement, can be a bodybuilding supplement, can be yoga pants, can be anything you guys want, like literally anything, just whatever you're interested in. So how do you actually go about finding that great affiliate offer? So that will of course depend on the niche that you guys are in. I'm going to give you 2 examples. You can then sort of expand it to other niches if you want to. So one of those examples, and the niche that I've previously done really well in myself before, is a bodybuilding niche. So supplements are huge. They cost a lot, and it's not uncommon for people to spend $200 or $300 on a purchase, and you can make, even if you can just make 10% of purchase price of a supplement, that's 20 or 30 bucks right there. Okay, so as an example, what you want out of all of this, what you want is the brand name, because that's the most targeted traffic. So here, for example, if I come to the bodybuilding.com, you can actually sign up for their affiliate program here. There is a program, a link here, affiliates. I think they've got their program on Commission Junction. When I was promoting them, that's where they were before. You can go ahead and sign up to start making commission. But basically, you can take that name, Synthesis, or any other name. They've got thousands of supplements there, and you can make videos about them. Okay, so that would be how you go about it in the health niche. So if you just take Synthesis, you can actually open up this tool. It's a free tool, kwfinder.com. You can register. It's completely 100% free. Obviously, you can use paid keyword tools, but you don't have to do that at all. You can just start out with this free edition. And after you plug in Synthesis, I've already done the research for you, so you don't have to wait. You'll be able to see that it gives you different suggestions here, okay, like Synthesis protein, Synthesis edge, protein powder, and so on. So you can see that there's a lot of different searches that people are searching for, and they're searching for all of those kind of keywords. You can make videos on all of them. The other thing that you can do is, the other example that I'm going to give you, another niche, is online marketing tools, okay? And that's the niche that I've got quite a lot of material out there on, and I make a lot of money in. And let's go with this example, ConvertKit, okay? If I plug in ConvertKit into KW Finder tool, you'll be able to see that it gives me a lot of examples here as well. So ConvertKit pricing, ConvertKit affiliate, and so on. So these are searches that people do on Google, but people search for roughly similar things on YouTube as well. Obviously not exactly the same, but roughly similar. So for example, if I go and type in Synthesis here, you can see it says edge review, edge, protein, crisp, and so on. And that's very similar to what they're typing into here, okay? So now you can do the same thing in a lot of other niches. You can obviously, if you're not sure where to even start looking, you can use this other website called offervault.com, and you can search in a lot of different ways. I'm not going to get into it in this video, but if you're really stuck and not sure where to find affiliate products for affiliate offers for your niche, just jump onto OfferVault, do the searches there. It's just taking a little bit of time to load, but it's offervault.com, spelled like this, and you can find them there. All right, so we've now got our great affiliate offer. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead with ConvertKit, but hopefully you got the idea, guys. Now we're going to find low competition keywords. So how do we do this? All right, so ConvertKit has told us, with the example of ConvertKit, okay, it's given us all of these kind of keywords. The other thing that I can do and that I like to do is go into here and start typing in ConvertKit, and you can see that I've got different ones for ConvertKit demo. Like someone who wants a demo of ConvertKit is probably very, very interested in buying ConvertKit. Let's just take a look at this, ConvertKit vs Aweber. All right, so what are we seeing here? We're seeing here, like I was mentioning here to you guys, that we need to find low competition keywords. Now, how do we know that this competition is actually a low keyword? Well, this is how you know. So we're going to type in, we're going to put brackets around this, ConvertKit vs Aweber, and I'm going to scroll down and see how many of these videos match exactly ConvertKit versus Aweber in the title. So this one does, ConvertKit vs Aweber. This one doesn't. This one doesn't. This one doesn't. This one says the other way around, Aweber versus ConvertKit. This one doesn't really. So they get less and less relevant the further we go along. So really the only one video, can you believe it? Only one video out of all of these videos actually matches ConvertKit vs Aweber. Interesting, right? Means super low competition. Let me type this in, ConvertKit vs Aweber, into Google. What do I see here? I see that this same video that's ranking #1 on YouTube is also ranking on page 1 of Google. And how difficult do you think for you guys would be to rank your blog, like one of these websites, on page 1 of Google? It would be very difficult, close to impossible, let me tell you that, because there's 183,000 results, and you know, it's much easier to make a short video and then find yourself on page 1 of Google than to write a blog post, create a website, and all of those kinds of things. So that's the power of YouTube. Google loves YouTube because Google owns YouTube. So you will be able to get these kinds of results. Like, this video is not even relevant. It says Aweber review and comparisons versus alternatives, but they're on page 1 of Google. Do you understand the power of this? I mean, this is insane. This is freaking insane. That's why I'm so excited about, you know, this method, and I've done a lot of this kind of thing before, and I think that anyone can really pick this up and do it. Anyway, so getting back to this. So moving on, so we've found a low competition keyword, you know, this Aweber versus ConvertKit. Obviously this guy, Justin Brown, put out this video 2 years ago. He's only had 2.7 thousand views, so only about 1,500 per year. But don't let that worry you, because so many people that will watch that video will actually click that link and sign up. And your job is to produce these simple videos. You can see it's just 7 minutes, okay, and just do a lot of them. Just do a lot of them. You know, if you put out 50, 100 of these videos, it's not going to take you a long time, and you can quickly scale this up to a full-time income, just as long as you're consistent. As you can see, to rank on page 1 for these kind of keywords is simple. There are people who've only got 1,000 subscribers, 377 subscribers. You know, those kinds of things are extremely low competition. They're super targeted. You don't need a lot of views to make money and to make sales. So after that, you will need to create a simple YouTube video. Okay, so now we know that we want to create a video for ConvertKit vs Aweber. So how do you actually go about creating a simple YouTube video? Once again, there are thousands of different options for you guys to do this, and you know, you can buy video tools, you can use free video tools. If you're first starting out, of course, I personally recommend to use a free video tool. A good free video tool is called Screencast-O-Matic. It's, even for a premium version, it's only, I think, $15 per year, so it's very, very cheap, but you can do a free version as well, and it's good enough. It does videos up to 15 minutes for a free version. If you later want to upgrade, you can spend $15 on a premium version, all right? And you can just use the Screencast-O-Matic functionality to create your own video. They do not have to be complicated. They do not have to be professional. You do not have to be on camera. You can just do some nice slides like I've done here, you know, get a nice PowerPoint or Google presentations document, and just do slides, do a bit of voiceover. You can pay someone to do a voiceover. Just do a video and talk about the product, you know, talk about ConvertKit versus Aweber, do a little bit of research. You need to hustle a little bit, you know, this is obviously not something you push a button and money comes out. You need to do a little bit of work, but it is very, very simple. It's much easier than working 9 to 5 for the rest of your life. So once you've done this video, you know, like I said, you can do it in Screencast-O-Matic. You can do various other programs. You basically, from that point on, you will need to put your affiliate link in the description. The other thing you can do, by the way, sorry, just to backtrack, is you can see what other guys have done. What have they talked about? You know, just write down some points and talk about the same things in your own video. And you need to make a strong call to action at the very start of your video. You need to say, if you decide to pick this up through my link, you know, the link is in the description below. Just see how other people do it. Put it in the actual description. Put your affiliate link here in the description. And after that, you will need to upload the video to YouTube. Put in all of the tags and the descriptions and so on. So you basically need to actually upload that video, put in the title, put in this actual word in the title, ConvertKit versus Aweber, which one is the best email marketing service, or something like that. Put yourself in the shoes of the viewer and tell them at the start of the video and at the end of the video that the link to sign up is in the description below. You can also offer a bonus. This is an extra tip. This works really well, because why should someone join through your link? And you can offer people a bonus, okay? You can say, if you sign up through my link, send me an email to my email address, send me the receipt to my email address, and I'm going to give you a bonus of XYZ. Think about what a valuable bonus would constitute, and offer your viewers a bonus that will increase your conversions, because they might even look at some other reviews, but they'll come back to you to buy if you offer a good bonus. Okay, and then you just rinse it and repeat, guys. So you need to think about this as not you're going to make one video and you're going to be rich from that one video. You need to think about consistency, and you need to put out 2 to 3 videos a week, and you need to target all of those different kinds of product names within your niche, and you need to cover them all. You need to cover them all. Once you've got, let's say, 100 of these videos, and each of them might only be getting, let's say, 10 views a day, okay, and that's on the low side. 10 views a day, 100 videos are going to get you 1,000 extremely targeted money-making views. And I'm being conservative here. All right, a lot of these people will then click on their affiliate links and they will buy from your links. And that's how you make the money. That's the overall system. That's it, guys. That's the whole system. Like I said, it is pretty straightforward. There's only 4 steps. Anyone can start this very quickly, start making their first money, as well as scale it up to $100 a day or more passive on YouTube. You can build a huge channel. Now, if you guys like to get future kinds of videos like that with methods similar to this one, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel. There should be an icon in the top left of your screen. Also, grab my free course. Check the links in the description below, or just click here on the screen. And you can also tick the little notification subscription icon after you subscribe to my channel to make sure that you get notification straight into your inbox as soon as I upload my new videos. So thank you so much, guys. Give me a quick like on this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you around.